Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn any photo into a cartoon style using Google AI Studio. This is a fun way to give your pictures a creative, animated look. First, open your browser and go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in with your Google account, and from the dashboard, click on Generate Media. Now, upload the photo you want to transform. Once it is loaded, go to the text box and type a prompt like, "Turn this photo into a cartoon-style image," or "Convert this picture into a Pixar-style cartoon." Click Generate and wait a few seconds while Google AI creates the cartoon version of your photo. If the style is not exactly what you wanted, just adjust your prompt. For example, you can try anime-style cartoon or comic book-style cartoon. When you are happy with the result, click Download to save it to your device for free. And that's it. With Google AI Studio, you can easily turn normal photos into fun cartoon versions in just a few steps. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one.